Imagine this. You own a thriving business in Florida. You've carefully crafted your customer base, nailed your contracts, and you're growing at a solid pace. Then one day, you find yourself served with a lawsuit filed by someone who isn't even in Florida. That's when Florida's long-arm statute becomes a critical part of the conversation. Now, what exactly is the long-arm statute? Simply put, it's a law that allows Florida courts to have jurisdiction over individuals or businesses outside the state if they had certain connections or done specific actions within Florida. In other words, this statute determines when someone from out of state can be dragged into a Florida courtroom. You might be wondering, why does this matter to me as a Florida business owner? Well, here's the deal. If your business interacts with customers, vendors, or partners outside the state, even if it's as simple as selling goods online or signing contracts with out-of-state companies, this law could decide where a potential lawsuit is filed. And trust me, the where of a lawsuit can make a huge difference in terms of cost, convenience, and even outcomes. Think of the long-arm statute as a kind of safety net for Floridians who feel wronged by out-of-state individuals or companies. But here's the catch. It's not just about protection for Floridians. It also means Florida businesses need to tread carefully. Let's break it down a little more. For the Florida court to use the long-arm statute and claim jurisdiction, the out-of-state individual or business must have done something that connects them to Florida in a meaningful way. This might include things like committing a tort or a wrong, like fraud in Florida, entering into a contract here, or even doing business within the state, such as selling products or providing services. What does that mean for you as a Florida business? Well, if you're dealing with out-of-state clients or companies, you might find yourself in the reverse situation, having to defend your business in another state. On the flip side, if someone from outside Florida wrongs your business, the long-arm statute might give you the power to bring them to Florida courts here. Picture this. Your Miami business, for example, signs a business deal with a California supplier. Everything seems fine until the supplier fails to deliver on their promises, leaving your operation in a mess. Under Florida's long-arm statute, you could potentially sue them in Florida if their actions meet certain criteria. But here's the flip side. Let's say you sell your products online and a customer from Georgia claims your product caused them harm in Georgia. Depending how you've structured your business operations, like whether you specifically targeted customers in Georgia, you can find yourself facing legal action in Florida or in Georgia. This is where understanding the nuances of the long-arm statute becomes crucial. It's not just about knowing the law, but about structuring your business to minimize risks. While this isn't a substitute for legal advice, there are a few guiding principles you can keep in mind. First, review your contracts carefully. Make sure they include choice of law and forum selection clauses. These clauses specify which state's laws will apply in a dispute and where any lawsuit will take place. Second, if you're selling online, be clear about their jurisdiction you're targeting. Some businesses add disclaimers stating they don't do business in certain states to avoid jurisdictional entanglements. Finally, consult with a business law attorney. An experienced attorney can help you navigate these complexities, ensuring your businesses stay protected while maximizing growth opportunities. Florida's long-arm statute might sound like a dry legal topic, but it's a powerful tool that can impact your business in ways you might not expect. Whether you're looking to enforce your rights against an out-of-state party or protect your business from being sued in a far-off state, understanding this statute is key. The best part? Once you grasp the basics, you'll feel much more confident in how you structure your deals, manage your operations, and protect your bottom line. So the next time someone mentions a long-arm statute, you'll be the business owner in the room who gets it. And if you want to dive deeper or need tailored advice, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you turn your legal complexities into business advantages. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions about this or other legal topics, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay informed and stay protected.